Fendi, I get plenty. Wake up right next to the semi. Low so loaded than the done. Habits to the nine.
What's up, guys? So today we're going to be installing the wheel. I got the quick release right here, the new shift boot. I also got a new harmonic balancer because the one that we had, I think when the guy took it off the road into a ditch, he kind of whacked the balancer, so it's just shaking like this a little bit, and it's making the belt go all crazy. And I think that's what the squeaking noise is too, and that's also why the check engine light's on, because the crank position sensor is probably all out of whack because of the balancer not being aligned properly. So gonna get all that done today. So I'm at Dan's house now. We're gonna pull it into the shop and we're gonna start working on it. Alrighty, so I got everything on the table now, so it's a little easier to see. So we got the horn button, we got the new wheel, we got the quick release 2.0 right here, we got the hardware for it, we got the short hub right here, and then this is the harmonic balancer, and this is the new shift boot. Took the intake pipe off. About to get to the balancer. Alrighty, so we got the airbag off. It actually wasn't even connected, so I guess that's why the light was blinking. I don't know why that wasn't connected, but got it off over here. Nice. So what do you think? One tug?
Oh yeah, one tug. I didn't even have the steering wheel locked.
Nice. Thank you.
Looks like you didn't have a lot of things going on. You didn't even have a working horn in here, did you?
No, it didn't work.
It didn't, right?
No.
Yeah. All your electronics go through here. And that ribbon cable is cut. It's supposed to be a connector that comes in right through here.
Alrighty, so we got the short hub in, took the old clock spring out. This thing was trashed anyway. And then we're putting on the part of the quick release that mounts to the hub, and then we're gonna get the steering wheel mounted to the other side and then get it on. Alrighty, so we got the wheel all mounted. There you go.
It's not straight right now, so I gotta put it on. I'm both fucked up.
Got the key? Nice. Yeah, that's good.
It's gonna be close to straight. I mean, that's gonna be it. To get it like perfect, you're gonna have to do the alignment again.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But I wouldn't do the alignment again until you get that tie rod in too. That's all. Like, is it actually further away from you, or is it closer?
Oh no, I definitely have more room here. I could not do that.
Oh, because
So.
the steering wheel itself is much thinner.
Yeah.
You were actually.
Oh yeah, no,
Were you
I
looking
got
to get it closer to you, or
before
away?
I was it was bad. It was bad.
You would just hit your knees on the back of the wheel, right?
Yeah, so now I actually have like space, but it's not like too close, so.
It looks good.
Nice. Oh yeah. Alrighty, so now we're gonna take out the center console real quick and just swap this shift boot. So there's two screws back there, there's one screw in here, and then the screws on the sides are missing, but there's two screws there if you gotta know where they are. Alright, I gotta do the thing that everyone does. Alrighty, so I just got to the gas station. I'm about to put this in first. This should clean out the injectors and the whole fuel system and everything. It's Royal Purple, so I think that's a good brand. So I'm just gonna put gas. You gotta put this in first, and then you put the gas in after. So I'm gonna do that. And they give you this little thing to pour it in. So because these have the little flap, so you can't just pour it straight in. You need something to push the flap open. So let me get that in there and get more. watching. If you're wondering why we didn't actually take off the crank pulley or the balancer, I'll show you why. So, did some research on this issue. So it looks like the previous owner must have clipped something. That is really bad. So what we gotta do now is we gotta get the new balancer, the new boss pulley that actually mounts to. We had to get a new woodruff key, a new timing gear, new timing bell. I got the whole kit, so the water pump and everything. And so we're gonna have to JB weld a new timing gear to this crank, and hopefully the key will go in straight. Because the key right now, the reason that this is doing that is because the key is all types of screwed up. Like once we take it out in the next episode, I'll show you how messed up that key is, and it looks absolutely terrible. It's like wearing it down to where it's almost half of the size that it used to be when it was new. So we're gonna be doing all this work with Dan. We do have to JB weld that new piece to the crank, so it's probably gonna have to sit at Dan's for about 24 hours. But in the next episode, we're gonna be taking this thing apart. We'll get everything put out on the table. You'll be able to see everything we're doing, and then I'll get a good time lapse of all the work. So in case you have this issue too, you'll be able to figure it out. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Like I said, only like 5% of you guys are subscribed. So if you would just hit that subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. I'm trying to bring you guys some more good content. I'll see you later. Peace.